You want to talk about the new trail?
Yeah, we got some new trail in Conover, and it goes from where old 45 crosses 45 near Rummels Road. And when you go there, there's a little tiny bridge. And when you go up to that point and you would take a right to go to Rummels Road, instead of doing that, you would take a left. And that new trail will lead to, from about that area by Rummels Road and 45 to Heart Lake Road. And in there's a very big bridge in there. I don't know the exact length. It's a really nice little ride in there, and it's a nice scenic area to stop off and maybe eat lunch or something.
Yeah, you're definitely going to want to stop and check out this trail.
I'd like to do a club ride on the 1st. Maybe it's called Ride with the Trail Boss. So if you're interested in that and you get this post and he gets this video out sooner than later, comment on here and we'll probably make a post anyway. And we'll go take a ride. I don't know how long it's going to be, but we'll probably leave somewhere towards the morning.